In this video, I'm going to show how to create what is called a model package. A model package is a file that saves just the information about the project, and it's a small file and easy to handle. So I'm going to ask you to create model package file for the homework assignments, and you will then submit only the model package, because I have access to all the data and everything, so I don't need your entire project. All I need is your model package. So here I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, first you can, by the way, you can use this button to align your process flows. So here we have two process flows. So when you have multiple process flows like this, to create a single model package, there must be one final end to all the process flows. So the best way to create one final end to all the process flows, one node representing the end of all the processes that you may have in a diagram, you can use this node reporter, which generates some information about all the nodes in a process flow. So we really don't need the results of this, but this is a kind of convenient way of having a single end. Okay. So if you have only one process flow, then you will already have an ending. So for example, if this was what you had, you want to create a model package only for this, then you already have a final ending node, and you can create a model package with that. You will need a reporter only if you have multiple process flows. Okay, so don't bring in a reporter node if all you have is a single process flow. If you have multiple process flow, then you have to do this. Then you have to, before you can prepare a model package, you have to run that node. Okay. We really don't need to worry about results. All we care about is whether the run completed successfully or not, and there are no errors. So we can X this out. Okay. So now right click and then select create model package, and then you give a name. So let's see, let's chapter 01 GS for getting started, for example. Okay, once again, we really don't need to look at the results or open or anything. All we care about here is whether it ran successfully or not. So it does say model package generated, and so we just click OK. Now here is that model package. So here is model package, and this is the model package it has created. So now we have to save the model package. So it's a kind of three-step process. One is make sure that you have one ending node that covers all the flows. Okay, and then you run that node and then create model package, and finally you right click and then do save as. So save as, and select the folder where you want to save it, and then say chapter 01, give a name, so GS, and it will be a .spk file, that's model package, and that's it. So now let's go to the folder and then see. Okay, so here is the model package. This is, so if when you work on your homework assignments, then you will prepare an SPK file and you will upload the SPK file in Canvas and not the zip file or anything like that. Okay, so once again, suppose if you want a model package only for this, then you really don't need a reporter. So if you can just create model package just for that, and that model package will only cover that process flow. But if you want both process flows to be covered in the model package, then you need to bring in your reporter and connect, and then you run, and then you create your model package and so on.